Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. This is basically next level part of the language. So 1% do that. These all information basically are very not critical also basically, but it's supposed to be aware basically. The people are supposed to be aware. So how much hard work basically is ongoing basically. So this information basically you can't say it's a critical information basically. So lots of people say that cyber group basically say that it's a critical information. So this can create problem basically, but that is not fact basically. The public is supposed to aware basically how much hard work basically is ongoing for their 24 hours basically, and that mostly basically the governments are doing, because mostly I am not 100% basically but 90% it's sure basically that the factory group basically who are producing the material, they also might not be knowing this. That is basically directly handled by the power supply companies and nuclear power companies basically. So factory group also basically just produce the materials. They send the material to malls basically, or basically some agencies in one city basically, and that agency basically gives the material to each and every mall basically. So mostly this type of system basically might have created, but mostly basically the mall group also basically might not be knowing this thing basically, because it's very tough now basically to handle this type of thing basically. It's very tough. That's why basically the power company and energy company basically produce, sorry, connect with this data basically. So they are basically only aware basically, because they are earning more than 90 lakh crore na basically from one energy basically. 90 lakh crore basically they are earning basically. So in next video.